Have you ever wondered if no-code software as a service or SaaS can really compete with traditional software development? The rise of no-code SaaS has been nothing short of a tech revolution. This unique approach to software development allows even the most non-technical among us to create, modify, and manage software applications without writing a single line of code. It's all about ease of use, speed of implementation, and cost-effectiveness. Compare this to the traditional software development process. It's a realm where technical skills are paramount, where time is consumed in coding, debugging, and testing, and where financial resources can quickly dwindle in the face of complex projects. No-Code SaaS, on the other hand, is like a breath of fresh air. It's like being given a fully assembled Lego set, rather than a box of individual pieces. So, is no-code SaaS a game changer or just a fleeting trend? Let's dig deeper. Let's start by comparing the capabilities of no-code SaaS and traditional software development. Now imagine you're baking a cake. No-code SaaS is like your trusty box mix. It's quick, easy, and you know exactly what you're getting. You just add a few ingredients, stir, and voila, you have a cake. But what if you want to make a gourmet triple-layer chocolate mousse cake? Then you need to go the traditional route, mix ingredients from scratch, and perhaps even pull out that secret family recipe. In the tech world, no-code SaaS is that box mix. It offers a range of functionalities right out of the box. You can create websites, apps, and other digital solutions without writing a single line of code. You don't need to be an expert developer or hire one. It's user-friendly, and even those with limited technical knowledge can navigate it with ease. But here's the catch. While no-code SaaS can handle a lot of tasks, it may fall short when it comes to more complex, custom projects. That's where traditional software development shines. It's like that gourmet cake. It takes more time, more skill, and more resources, but the end result is a highly tailored, unique product that meets specific needs in ways that a one-size-fits-all solution just can't. Think about it. Traditional software development allows for more creativity and innovation. You can build things from scratch, tweak as much as you want, and design every tiny detail to your liking. Sure, it's more challenging and time-consuming, but it offers limitless possibilities. It's like choosing between a ready-made dress and one that's tailor-made. The ready-made dress is quick and easy, but the tailor-made one fits like a glove, designed just for you. Clearly, each has its own strengths and weaknesses, so is there a winner? Well, that's like asking if a box mix is better than a gourmet cake. It depends on what you're looking for. If you want speed and simplicity, go for no-code SaaS. If you're after customization and complexity, traditional software development is your best bet. But remember, in the grand scheme of things, they're both just tools to help you create something amazing. Now let's talk money. Can no-code SaaS compete with traditional software development in terms of cost? When it comes to cost effectiveness, no-code SaaS platforms often provide a more affordable entry point. They operate on subscription models which, let's face it, everyone loves. You pay a monthly or annual fee and voila! You have access to a platform that allows you to create applications without writing a single line of code. It's like being at an all-you-can-eat buffet, but for software development. But that's not all. Because you don't need to be a coding wizard to use these platforms, your team doesn't need to consist of high-priced software developers. You can put together a team of creative problem solvers who might not know their Java from their Python, but they know how to make an application that works. Now let's turn the tables and look at traditional software development. The initial costs can be quite high, yes. You need to hire skilled developers, invest in the right tools, and spend time designing and testing the software. It's like hosting a 5-course meal. The preparation is laborious and time-consuming, but the end result can be a feast worth every penny. But here's the kicker. Once you've developed your software, you own it outright. You don't have to keep paying subscription fees to maintain it. And if your software provides value to your business or your customers, that initial investment can pay off many times over in the long run. It's like buying a house. It's a significant upfront cost, but over time, it can become a valuable asset. So is no-code SaaS cheaper than traditional software development? Well, like most things in life, it depends. It depends on your business needs, your budget, and your long-term plans. Do you want the convenience and affordability of a buffet, or do you want to invest in a 5-course meal that can provide long-term value? Cost-wise, it seems like a tough call, doesn't it? But what about flexibility and scalability? Can no-code SaaS keep up? Let's dive right into it. Flexibility and scalability are two key factors that determine the success of any software solution. A system that can't bend to the changing needs of a business or expand as the business grows might as well be a fancy paperweight. So how does no-code SaaS fare in this regard? Well, no-code SaaS shines brightly when it comes to flexibility. Imagine you're building a Lego tower and you suddenly decide you want your tower to have an extra floor. With traditional coding, you'd need to deconstruct the tower and rebuild it from scratch. But with no-code SaaS, you can simply snap on an extra floor without disturbing the rest of the structure. That's the beauty of no-code SaaS. It allows for quick and easy updates and modifications without causing a ripple effect on the entire system. Now let's talk scalability. With no-code SaaS, scalability is as easy as upgrading your subscription. Want to accommodate more users? No problem. Need more storage? Just a few clicks away. This ease of scalability is a major advantage for growing businesses that need to adapt rapidly to changing needs. But let's not forget about traditional software development. While it may be more rigid in terms of modifications, it offers a high degree of customization that no-code SaaS can't match. With traditional software development, you're not limited by the features and functionalities of a no-code platform. You can build whatever you want, however you want it. So if you need a highly specific feature or function that's not available on a no-code platform, traditional coding might be your best bet. In essence, no-code SaaS offers excellent flexibility and ease of scalability, while traditional software development provides unparalleled customization options. It's like comparing apples and oranges. Both are fruits, but they offer different flavors and nutritional benefits. It's a tight race when it comes to flexibility and scalability, isn't it? So the million-dollar question, can no-code SaaS really compete with traditional software development? We've seen the rise of no-code SaaS, an innovative solution that's democratizing the world of software development. But can it really go toe-to-toe with the tried and tested methods of traditional software development? Well, let's take a moment to recap what we've learned so far. No-code SaaS, or software as a service, has made significant strides in recent years. It's a game changer, enabling non-technical folks to create and launch software applications without a single line of code. It's a world where ideas can come to life without the barrier of technical expertise or the need for a full-fledged development team. On the other hand, traditional software development has been the backbone of the tech industry for decades. It offers a level of customization and control that no-code solutions can't quite match yet. It's a world where the only limit is the skill of the developer and the depth of their imagination. When we compare the capabilities, it's clear that both have their strengths. No-code SaaS shines in its simplicity and speed. It's perfect for businesses that need a quick solution, or for entrepreneurs who want to test out an idea without investing too much time or resources. Traditional software development, however, has the upper hand when it comes to creating complex, bespoke systems. It's the go-to choice for businesses that have very specific needs, or for those who are not constrained by time or budget. Then there's the cost factor. No-code SaaS is generally more cost-effective upfront. There's no need to hire a team of developers or invest in expensive software. But over time, subscription fees can add up. Traditional software development has a higher initial cost, but once the system is built, the ongoing costs can be minimal. Finally, we've looked at flexibility and scalability. No-code SaaS is flexible and can easily be adjusted as a business evolves. However, it may hit a scalability ceiling as a business grows. Traditional software development, while more rigid, offers greater scalability potential. So what's the verdict? Can no-code SaaS really compete with traditional software development? The answer isn't black and white. It depends on the specific needs and resources of a business. Some may find that no-code SaaS is the perfect fit for their current situation, while others may need the robustness and control offered by traditional software development. In the end, both no-code SaaS and traditional software development have their place in the tech world. They each have their strengths and weaknesses, their pros and cons. They're different tools in the toolbox, designed for different tasks. So whether no-code SaaS can compete with traditional software development isn't a simple yes or no. It's a matter of finding the right tool for your specific needs. Now, that's food for thought, isn't it? Before we conclude, we encourage you to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Your support allows us to create more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe, as we have exciting new content coming up on no-code SaaS, software development, and more. To stay updated, tap the notification bell and be the first to know about our new videos. Remember, Your likes, subscriptions, and bell rings support us and keep you informed about the latest in tech. So, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. We promise you won't regret it.